Hello? Let us show you how Sign-On Tab and Lasercharge are making Cyprus hotels paperless. Is your front desk buried in paper? Manual registration silently slows down your operations and frustrates your guests. Introducing Sign-On Tab, the digital document platform designed for hospitality excellence. Our secret? The virtual printer. No complex IT integrations are needed. If you can print from Opera or Fidelio, you can go digital. Digitizing guest registration cards can have a quantifiable impact. One hotel can save 1,500 staff hours annually and eliminate over 115,000 paper pages. This results in an instant compliant guest archive, a faster check-in process, and a better experience for both guests and staff. Maintenance task registration can also be implemented in 2 days. A static link leads to a simple web form accessible from any smartphone. Employees can register issues with the option to attach photos. Notifications are automatically sent, improving issue reporting and resolution time. Partnering with Lasercharge, we provide local implementation and long-term support right here in Cyprus. Are you ready for a cleaner front desk before high season?
Welcome to the hotel. Please sign the registration form here.
Of course, thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Scan the QR code or message us to start your 48-hour transformation.